What's up, guys? How you doing? Hope everything's okay. Hope you're alright. I hope life's treating you good. Okay. You can tell I'm bored because I'm cooking again on my own. Tell I'm bored, I'm cooking. Okay. Very, very quickly, going to show you a very quick recipe. I've done half of it because I don't want to do what I always say I don't want to do to you, and actually you're sitting there and I'm blah, 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 and you're sitting there going, is he finished talking yet? So, alright, just going to show you this. It's dodgy lighting here today. It's really, really, really dodgy, really dull. It kind of wants to snow here, but it hasn't snowed yet. Anyway, enough of that. Just looking in the camera, look. I've got my zip there and I could just see it in the camera. Look. I've got a zip poking. It's like I've got a third nipple, doesn't it? Like scaramanga. Shows me age there, and I scaramanga. It's a scaramanga. What film's it from? Showing my age now. Anyway, enough of that garbage. Okay, very quickly. I've got a mouthful like barmaid's knickers I have. I touch really dry. I'll cut tea in a minute. Yeah, recipe. Ooh, always looking for new recipes for the kids, obviously, because you always get that, like that, don't want that, don't like that. So I'm always looking for new recipes for the kids. Anyway, come across a recipe the other day. It's called hot dog nuggets. Ooh, sounds good. Cut a long story short, I'll show you, look, there's a jar. Right? Buckwurst. I can't do a German accent. Buckwurst. 8 sausages. Can't be the Germans for the frankfurter. A bit of Arnie creeping in there anyway. Now listen, very, very carefully, very quickly. You're going to need jar, hot dog sausages. Box, pastry like I normally use. That one, okay, what I use for my sausage rolls. Pastry, ready rolled, on a sheet, in a box. Hot dogs, pastry, baking sheet, grease proof, gas mark 6 to 9 minutes. That's it. For you, like me, you're probably sitting there going now, is that it, Mark? Is that all there is? I pressed this video, put on watch, and I've sat here for coming up 3 minutes for you to give me a piece of pastry, a slice of hot dog sausage, and that's it. Yeah, sorry guys, that really is it, which is why I'm going to spruce it up a little bit. Okay, so cut long story short, grab your sausages, cut them into roughly an inch. Now apparently, according to public knowledge, an inch is supposed to be from your thumb tip to your knuckle. So that's roughly what you want to do. Get your sheet out, knuckle, mark. I've got 7 full strips out of mine, okay? And then inch square them again. So you end up with a gridded pastry square. I don't want to lift them up, so I can't in case. Oh wait, look, let me lift 4 up here, look. So you end up with that. You see the squares? I'm going to drop off in a minute. See them squares? Okay, then what you're going to do, I'm going to show you very quickly. There's one made up. God, watch this really dodgy light. Can't even see it, can you? Can't even see the hot dog sausage inside, can you? Look. Sorry guys, look. You can't even see, there's a hot dog sausage. I don't even know what. Can I give it to you? Here it is, look. See it? It's rather rude, that, didn't it? Anyway, so let me show you one, because the fact is, I've done all mine and I've run out of tray space. So I'm going to leave these for later on. This is what you do. Grab hold of your inch cut bit of hot dog. Grab hold of one of your squares. Okay, now this is normal. To spruce it up a little bit and give it just a little bit of flavour, when I got my pastry sheet out and put it on the worktop, salt, pepper, sprinkle onion granules, sprinkle garlic granules. Now, because the pastry, I've been caught like this before, so that's what I'm telling you. Because the pastry is dry, you come along and you want to spread all your seasoning. So you walk up and you go, and as you do that, it goes and rubs straight off all of your floor. So you don't do that. All your seasoning is just standing there going, and just tap it in. That way, when you lift it up, it don't fall off. That's actually covered in salt and pepper. Look. But it don't shake off. Okay? Right. Grab hold of your seasoned pastry sheet that you've cut into squares. Grab your frankfurter, your hot dog sausage, that you've cut into inch square as well. And like that. Put it on the end. Like that. I'll give you a right up to the camera so if you can see it. And then just twist it. Just roll it like you would a sausage roll. Over there like that. Pinch the ends. That's it. So you have it. You grab hold of that. Put it in your baking tray. In the end, on your baking tray with your greaseproof paper, you should have this. Can't even see him, can you? It's bad news and it's really bad light. Can't you see it? Right. Let me change the light. 2 secs. Dun, 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 dun. Right, let's see if you can see him now. Ah, hello. Hello, people. There you go. There you go. Ah, that's a good one. Right, see him? You should have baking tray like that. Now, apparently, these go in the oven. As I said, well, let me put them two on. Let's squeeze them on. Right, yeah. Right, once you've got your tray there, pop them in the oven, gas mark 6, gas mark 7, for about 6 to 9 minutes. All you're looking for is just for them to brown on top because your frankfurter sausage is already cooked. Anyway, as you guys know, I don't cook everything until the gang get in later on. So I can't cook these now because otherwise they're going to be stone cold by the time everybody's done. But 6 to 9 minutes, I'm going to cook them later on and I'm going to scoff them to death. Okay, now once you take them out, you're supposed to put tomato sauce with them, mustard and relish, and put whatever you like. I could come back on with the kids later on and show you them cooked if you want, but that's the general recipe. They're called hot dog nuggets. There's not really much to them, which is why I've spruced them up with a bit of seasoning, and that's it. Not really much I can tell you. Yeah, got a few new stuff coming up as well. Yeah, these are homemade hot dog nuggets. Excuse me, I was just looking at my menu. Yeah, we've got hot dog sausage nuggets coming up today, and then there's a few other brand new meals that my cooking skills are being put to the test on that I've never done before. I've had some really nice meals lately. Should have videotaped them all, but you know, it's been under a bit of stress, you know. I've said anyway. I'm going to start going on about it. I'll probably do a different video blog and then I will address sort of like items and topics to do with life, but that'll be a different video entirely. Oh, and by the way, talking of videos, my little Mowgli, my little man, what's he called? Man cub. Let's call him that. My little man cub from school, Mason. Hello, Mason. Give you a call out. Give you a shout out. Pulls me yesterday. Mark. I said, oh, give me low five. Done it. Mark, I'm gonna get on YouTube channel myself. So I said, okay, tell me. And can I come and subscribe? So, Mason, when you get your own video in your own channel, let me know, dude. Let me know. I'm gonna come along, subscribe. I'm gonna watch them all. I'm gonna be your #1 fan, so to speak, as such. But anyway, that's it. Oh, all good. I wonder what that was then. I thought my TV was on the blink. What am I watching today? Pitch Black. Good movie. Vin Diesel. Good movie. Anyway, enough of that garbage. Okay, so before you slip into a coma and fall asleep and slip off your chair and hurt yourself, I'm going. So wait till the gang come in later on. Give them a quick cook. Give them a quick show. See how we get on, or should I leave it? Should I leave it? You guys know what they're going to be like. I'll leave it. You cook them. Tell me what you like. Next time I get something decent, I'll come show you. Alright? I'll come let you know. But that's it. Homemade. How to make homemade hot dog nuggets with a little spruce up on the pastry. As I said, there they are. All ready and done. 6 to 9 minutes when all the gang come in. Looking for golden brown. Going to stick a few pots out. A bit of mustard. A bit of tomato sauce. A bit of barbecue. Have a little dip. I'll probably do sautés and sweet corn, buttered sweet corn, or something like that. Anyway, okay guys, that's about it. Yeah, done. Thanks for watching. If you're bored stiff now and you flatlined and you're in need of urgent medical attention, I really do apologise. If you're still with me and you like the video, thanks very much, and I love you too. Until the next time, adios muchachos. See you later. All the best, and stay safe. Yeah, stay safe. See you later.